Hello, this is David, and welcome to Equity Story. Again, really good to see the Dow bullish last night, and obviously it's great to see our market trending very nicely today. And again, like we've been saying for about sort of the last sort of month, our actually ASX 200 looks really quite bullish, especially on this daily chart. So but we are being a little bit careful. Obviously, we're looking at the bigger picture and where we think the market might go over the next month. So obviously, again, in this climate that we're under at the moment, we are trading pretty aggressively and taking profits near sort of when stocks move a little bit further away from those moving averages. Basically the stocks that we took profits on today, TPM. Again, I've got no issue. One of my clients phoned me up and said, Dave, do you mind if I hold, or I'm holding? I think, listen, it's a fantastic company. There's no question about it. So I think if you want to hold, I mean, yes, it might come down again and swing back up, but there's nothing wrong with that story. I mean, it's a fantastic company, as is TWE. Again, we took profits. We'll buy this stock again, I mean, and we'll pick this at a different level. And we'll carry on trending. It's a fantastic company. And Magellan, I mean, the amount of times we've traded Magellan, and again, good to take a nice little profit out of Magellan. I think Magellan is a little bit more, for me, it can be a little bit more tied to the Dow, and if the Dow does perform badly, so we'll see. But again, on the chart, it's fantastic. It never really breaks that long-term trend, and it's moved nicely off it, and we'll definitely be buying this near that long-term trend again. Just having a look at some of the other trends again. FRM, had a good day, and it's up at $2, back to $2 again. AIA, again, great looking trend, fantastic, and we're in profits there very nicely. And good old Green Cross now had a buy signal on. I like the trend, and I just like the way this is sort of dipped down and starting to pull back up. And again, I think Green Cross, we're in profits with it now, and I think if she can have a good move, definitely a good move up to next few days, maybe have a better look at the short-term chart, and sort of comfortably break that sort of resistance level, which is roughly around that sort of 7.6, sort of that close. I reckon around this sort of maybe 770, 774, and then I think we can have a really good move up on Green Cross. Again, if you look at on a long-term chart and you can see where it's come from, this company is a really exciting company, Green Cross, and it's got. I was reading their presentation. It's got huge potential to grow the company and grow the franchise, and definitely you think. If you can have a little kick up here, you would think $9 would be in the picture. Again, it's a fantastic story. BAP again, great. What a great trend. Just looks and got a little. It's got like formed its own really bullish buy signal. So I think this is definitely going higher. Maybe even 540, 550 in the near term. Hansen again looking fine. And the only negative one we had today, which did have a big kick up the last few days, was MTR. And again, I do expect that stock to recover. I think what I'd like to do is just point out some stocks where maybe a stock that we're looking at to put on. So we'll just look at the Dow tonight. MYX is Main Pharma, looks absolutely fantastic on the chart. So if you can actually look at that trend, we definitely we might be buying that, could buy that tomorrow morning. We're just going to obviously maybe like to see it. Yeah, no, for me it's looking fine. Maybe like to see obviously how the Dow trades tonight. But again, I think Main Pharma, we could definitely got a good chance to make some money in this company over the next week or so. So it looks excellent. So I'll let you know tomorrow morning if we're going to put it out as a trend. Again, some of the old favourites, obviously ORE. Just waiting for our opportunity to get in there when we think it's the right time. Adasol, this is an absolutely fantastic company, and it's one of our 3-year growths. And again, we bought this sort of back here around this sort of just over $2. And again, we're obviously making good money on the stock. And again, this has got a really fantastic trend. And you certainly, if you're looking to get some short-term gains now on trending maybe a smaller cap, which can be a little bit more scary in some ways, but it can be obviously a lot more advantageous. You can make a lot of money on trending the smallest companies. Adasol to me looks very, very, very bullish. Again, it was up 7.59% today, and I think tomorrow potentially could have another really, really strong day. Anyway, that's all I've really got to talk about tonight in Equity Story. I'd like to thank you for listening, and I look forward to bringing you this report tomorrow night. Good night.